Hey everybody, welcome to New Year's Eve at our house, the Canning Nana. So I just want to show you, we have videos up of this, but it's 2023 and this is our little New Year's Eve dinner. We have our charcuterie, we have our shrimp. Noah's waiting for this, he wants some shrimp. We have some marinated chicken and some ribeye steak, along with some veggies that we have, and our grill. It's a 20-year tradition, you guys, that we have had in our home for New Year's Eve. Noah? Noah wants it too. So I just wanted to share. We have a fire going and all of our decorations and everything. Our Christmas tree up there. So from our home to yours, we wish you guys a happy and healthy new year for 2024. And we will see you guys in the new year. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all of your support through the years, especially through 2023. And we wish you guys well. We will see you soon.